Hello students, we are dealing with organic chemistry and today I am going to explain you nomenclature. Here I will explain you the rules and we will see some examples of nomenclature. Let us start with the rules for nomenclature. The first rule is find the longest chain of carbon atoms. Second one, check the substituent or substituents present outside the main chain. Next, numbering from the nearest side of the substituent. Where there is substituent, we will start the numbering from that side. First, write the name of the substituent, then the main chain. In case of naming, we will write the name of the substituent first and the main chain later on. If functional group and substituent both are present in this condition, we will start numbering from the functional group. That means functional group should be first come and substituent will later on. Naming should be in alphabetical order, which will come first in the alphabet, that will come first in the naming. And the last rule is between two numbers put comma and between number and word put dash. So students, there are some rules for the nomenclature. Let us see the examples one by one. Finding the longest chain of the carbon atom, and for this we can see in the diagram, here is a chain of carbon atoms and we can see there are four carbon atoms, first, second, third, fourth. This is a straight chain of four carbon atoms, so we will write for 4 it is but. For carbon carbon single bond we will use N. Now it becomes butane. Seeing the second one, here is a chain of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon atoms. So the longest chain is of 7 carbon atom. For 7 we will use the word hep, as there is single bond between carbon carbon atom, so we will use N. Now it becomes heptane. So the name of this chain is heptane. If substituent is present, then how can we numbering and how can we name it? Here is a chain of 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbon atom, and here is the substituent, that is CH3. It is not present in the main chain. How can we number? We have to number such that the substituent come to the nearest side. We will start from this side, first, second, third, fourth. If we start from this side, then it becomes first, second, third, fourth. So the substituent comes in the third position, and if we start from this side, the substituent comes in the second position. So this is wrong way, and we will number like this. Now naming. At the 2 number, we can see CH3. CH3 is the methyl group. So we name 2 dash methyl. We see number, word, between number and word we will put dash. Its name is 2 methyl. Now see the longest chain. It is a chain of 4 carbon atom. So we use the word but. Carbon carbon single bond. So we use N. Now it becomes 2 methyl butane. If additional substituents are present, more than one substituent of same type are present, then how can we name? Let us see in the diagram. Here is a chain of 3 carbon atoms, and here is one substituent, another substituent. These substituents are of same group, methyl group, methyl group. So we will number first, second, third. If we start from this side, it is also first, second, third, so no problem here. Now how can we name it? Here is two methyl groups, so we will write 2 comma 2 number comma and number and word dash. So it becomes 2 dimethyl, as there are 2 methyls. So it is 2 dimethyl, and as here is a chain of 3 carbon atoms, so it is prop. Carbon carbon single bond, so it is N. its name is 2,2 dimethyl propane. Similarly, in this case we can see there are two substituents, CH3 and CH3, and here is a chain of 4 carbon atoms. This methyl group is at number 2 and this methyl group at number 3. If we start from this side, we will find it again at the 2 number and at the 3 number, so no problem. Now how can we name it? At 2 number there is methyl group, at 3 number there is methyl group, so we will write 2,3 dash dimethyl chain of 4 carbon atom, so it is butane. If different alkyl groups are present, let us see in the diagram. Here is a chain of 5 carbon atoms, here is methyl group and here is ethyl group. So first we have to see from where we will start the numbering. Ethyl, it starts with E letter, methyl starts with M, so we will give the priority to the E alphabetical order. So we will number from this side, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now naming. At 2 number there is ethyl group, at 3 number there is methyl group, so we will name 2 dash ethyl. Number and word we will put dash, again word and number we will put dash. So 2 ethyl, 3 methyl, here is a chain of 5 carbon atoms and there is a single bond between carbon atom, so it is pentane. So name is 2 ethyl 3 methyl pentane. If functional group is present, then what will we do? We will give priority to the functional group. That means we will number from the functional group from where it will be nearest. So we will start numbering from this side, first, second, third, fourth. Now naming. At 2 number there is chlorine, so we will write 2 dash chloro, 2 chloro. Here is a chain of 4 carbon atom, so it is but, carbon single bond, so it is butane. So its name is 2-chlorobutane. If different functional groups of same type are present, let us see in the example. Here is the condensed formula given: CH3, CH, CH2, CH, CH, CH3. We can see chlorine, bromine, iodine, they all are the functional groups of the same functional group, halide group, but they are different: chlorine, bromine, iodine. Now we have to start numbering. From where we will start numbering? We can see bromine, B comes first, then C, then I. So we will try to name it, number it such that it will come in the lowest side. So we will start from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we start from this side, then bromine will come at 4th number. So it is right numbering from this side. Now naming. At 3 number there is bromine, so it is 3 dash bromo. At 5 number it is chlorine, so it is 5 dash chloro. At 2 number there is iodine, so it is 2 dash iodo. As it is a chain of 6 carbon atom, so it is hex, carbon single bond, so it is N, hexane. If different functional groups are present, let us see the example. Here it is a chain of 5 carbon atoms and here is chloride, that is one functional group. Here is CHO, aldehyde group, that means halide group, and aldehyde group. Two functional groups are present here. Then from where we will start? We will start from the aldehyde group. Here the first number, second number, third number, fourth number and fifth number. Now naming. Aldehyde, if we use aldehyde then it will use al, and if it is chlorine then it is C. So we will start from this side. 4-chloro, it is a chain of 5 carbon atom, so it is pentan 1 all. First we will write the chloride group, 4-chloropentan 1 al or 4-chloropentanal. If functional group and alkyl groups both are present in this situation, let us see in the diagram. CH3, CH, CH, CH3. Here is chlorine, a functional group, and here is methyl alkyl group. So we will start numbering from this side. First, second, third, fourth. Functional groups should be given priority. Now naming. At 2 number there is chlorine, so it should be 2-chloro. At 3 number there is methyl group, so 3-methyl. As it is a chain of 4 carbon atom, so it is but, carbon-carbon single bond, so it is N. So it is 2-chloro 3-methyl butane. The next one, if double bond or triple bond is present, let us see in the diagram. Here is a chain of 3 carbon atoms and there is a double bond between this and this carbon atom. So first we have to number. We will start numbering from this side because the double bond is nearer to this side. So it is 1, 2, 3rd. Now naming. How can we name? As there is 3 carbon atom, so it is prop. At the first number it is double bond, so it is 1 in, or we can say propene. It is only for one number. For 2 number and 3 number we will not write this one. If there is triple bond is present, let us see in the diagram. It is a chain of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atom, and the triple bond is at the first, second carbon atom and third carbon atom. So its name will be pent 2 ine. Ine as it is triple bond, 2 as it is the second number. So it is pent 2 ine or 2 pent ine. If triple bond and alkyl group both are present in this situation, let us see in the example. Here is a triple bond between first carbon atom and second carbon atom, and methyl group at the third carbon atom. Triple bond and alkyl group both are present, so numbering should be start from the triple bond, as triple bond, double bond, they are also the functional group. So we will start numbering from this side, 1, 2 and 3rd. Now naming. At 3 number there is methyl group, so we will write 3-methyl. It is a chain of 3 carbon atoms, so it is prop. At first number there is triple bond, so we use 1 ine. Now it becomes 3-methyl prop 1 ine.